So Volvo XC90 here for pre-lease inspection. We've just found a few little knick-knacks on it, but otherwise it's in very good condition. So I'm pointing at the front wheel at the moment. It's got a little bit of a scrape on the wheel, but nothing serious really, and the tyres are all good tyres, and they're the proper tyres that it comes with. Plenty of tread on those. So if I look round the front, you've got a little tiny chip, but no cracks or marks on the bumper. Just a little tiny couple of little chips there, which are very unlikely to be charged, but we're not the judge and jury. Got a little bit more, it's had a bit of a nudge there, but nothing serious, no cracks or breakages in the plastics. And if I come round here, a couple of little chips on here, again, nothing serious. And then if I go across to the passenger seat, there's no spare key. Customer's going to do that, and the car's been serviced and the locking wheel nut's in there. It could do with a little vacuum, but otherwise the inside's immaculate, so that's pretty good. The roof's good, the seal's good, rear door's good. Back wheel again, just a little scratch on it, nothing serious, just a little bit of a nick across there. Right, okay, so I go around to the back end of the vehicle. All the back's okay, locking wheel nuts all in there, and the tools and everything are in the back. And yeah, that's got the charge bit, and then the tools are all perfect, and the locking wheel nut we've got photographs of. So if I go around this side, there's a few little light scratches, nothing serious, a cluster of scratches here, light, but I think we'll recommend that they're polished. The wheel has got a few scratches on it, and what's on here? Oh, just a little chip. Again, nothing serious. I'll go inside, door apertures are good. So all in all, a very well looked after car. The roof's good, and there's no chips in the glass. So otherwise, it's in very good condition, isn't it? What is it, a 2-year or 3-year or 2-year lease, is it?
Yeah, it's not a lease, it's a subscription. So
oh, right, okay, but it's only a 1 year?
It's a year and a bit, yeah.
Right, okay.
Second video on the pre-lease inspection. So we've just carried out a little bit of work we was doing. We've done a paint correction and was cosmetic repair with close match paint. So I buffed this area here, so as we can see, the light scratches have gone now. And then we've done a cosmetic down on the front bumper, so we've buffed the area to flat it off, and then we've touched it in with a bit of same colour paint. So we've got obviously this bit here which was touched in, and then we've got these 2 points here which have been touched in. So there we go. Other than that, the car is in very good condition.
Amazing.